in a lot of videos I always get people complaining about my nails, how they're long or whatever, or maybe they're dirty, and that's because I use them. So here's one of the uses. You see these stickers, not specifically on boxes, but on laptops, computers, anything I need to kind of peel off the stickers. See, I don't need to go somewhere, get some tools, I don't need to find anything. And then if you get Amazon boxes, you get this paper tape. Not a problem. See? Just cut through that, get your hand in there. Can't do this with one hand. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. See? See how easy that is? And if you watch my videos on my actual computer repairs, you'll see how useful my fingernails are at prying open computers. These aren't beauty things. These are tools. They're very good tools. They cost me nothing, and they grow back whenever I destroy them. Just like this one. You see this? It's broken. Yes, it's dirty. Whatever. I'm not using them as spoons to eat my food. Okay? So, don't worry about it. Alright, so here's another use for my fingernails. You see this? I don't think you can do this with your regular fingers, and then you'll have to use some special tools. But I can get my fingernails in there, see? And then I can pull this panel up, right? You see this? Got that? It's hard to do this with one hand, but let's see what I can do. Alright. Can't really get your fingernail or your fingers under here. You have to use nails or a special tool. You see I can pull that? It's hard to do this with one hand, of course, but see, I can pull it like that. Okay? Just like that. And then if it's like stuck, I can get my fingernail in there, and then I can use that to pull it. Okay? These tools are very useful, and they're always with me. I never go, oh no, I forgot my tool. I never go, oh no, my tool broke, because if I break one, you see, I got several others. I broke this one. Yep. And then they grow back. So they're the best tools. People should stop complaining. If you don't like them, this isn't a fashion show. This isn't a fashion channel. This is a computer repair channel. And if you want recommendations on what tools to use, you got them built in. Everyone has these tools. You can wait a few days, let them grow out, and you got the tools you need. Alright? You got stuff like this, these little things. You see, with your fingers, you can't really grab that. But you got fingernails. Get in there, grab it, wiggle it. Can't show it with the camera. There we go. And you see, just like that. Fingernails are very useful. Anytime people complain, it's because they don't know that they have these useful tools, and they've been talked about. I guess they've been teased, whatever. You see this? Fingernail pops out just easily, okay? These are very useful tools. These are not decorations. These are not things that are just for girls, okay? And yeah, if you don't use them, I mean, that's not my fault, but I use them every day, so I'm not gonna cut them. You can complain all you want, but there you go. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.